Question number 5. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 cm and slant height 25 cm. Solution. First part. Radius is equal to 7 cm. Slant height equal to 25 cm. We know that L square is equal to R square plus H square, which implies H square is equal to L square minus R square. We find height. H is equal to under root of L is slant height is 25 square minus radius is 7. So H is equal to 625 minus 49. H is equal to 625 minus 49, that is under root of 576. So height is equal to 576 root equal to 24 centimeter. Volume of cone, that is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. One upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7 and height is equal to 24 centimeter. 7 is cancel. 3 8s are 24 centimeter cube. Volume of conical vessel, is equal to 22 multiplied by 8 7s are 56 centimeter cube. 56 into 22 is equal to 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 2 6 are 12, 11, that is 2 3 2 1, which implies 1 2 3 2 centimeter cube, and we find the capacity in liters, that is divided by 1000 liters, which implies 1.232 liter. Answer. Solution of second part. Height equal to 12 centimeter. Slant height is equal to 13 centimeter. We find R. that is equal to L square minus H square. So R is equal to L is slant height, that is 13 square, minus height is 12 square. R is equal to 169 minus 144, which implies R is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25 under root. So R is equal to 5 centimeter. Capacity, that is volume of cone, equal to 1/3 into pi r square h, which implies 1/3 into 22/7 into radius is 5 into 5 into height is 12 centimeter cube. 5 5s are 25 and 25 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 12 5s are 60. 6 carry, 12 2s are 24, plus 3 is equal to 24 plus 6 is equal to 30, that is 300, and multiply by 22. 0 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Volume of conical vessel equal to 6600 upon 21 centimeter cube, and which is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 2200 upon 7 centimeter cube, and capacity in liters, which implies 2200 divided by 7 into 1000. 0 is cancelled, and we get 11 2s are 22, 5 2s are 10 liters, which implies 11 upon 35 liter. Answer. Given radius is 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter, we know that L square equal to R square plus H square, and H square is equal to L square minus R square. So H is equal to under root of slant height is 25 raised to power 2, that is equal to 625, minus R is 7 raised to power 2, that is equal to 49. 625 minus 49, that is equal to 576, and root 576, that is equal to 24 centimeter. Height equal to 24 centimeter. So volume of conical vessel is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 into 22/7 into r square, that is 7 into 7 into height is 24. centimeter cube. So volume of conical vessel is 22 into 56. 7 is cancelled and 3 8s are 24. 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 56 multiplied by 22 centimeter cube. And we find the capacity in liters divided by 1000, that is equal to multiply 56 into 22 is equal to 1232 centimeter cube and divided by 1000 in liters 1.232 liters answer. And second part, height is 12 centimeter, slant height is 13 centimeter. So R is equal to under root L square minus H square. L is 13, 13 square is 169 and H is 12, 12 square is 144. 169 minus 144 equal to 25 root, and R is equal to 5 centimeters. So volume of cone equal to 1/3 into pi r square h, which implies 1/3 into 22/7 into 5 into 5 into 12, and their product is equal to 6600. So volume of conical vessel is 6600 upon 21, which is divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21 and 22 3s are 20. 2 3s are 66 and 2 zeros, that is centimeter cube. And we find the capacity in liters divided by 1000. 11 2s are 22 and 2 0 is cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 7 5s are 35. 11 upon 35 liters answer. Thank you.